Welcome back, fellow internet adventurers. Today, we're diving into the realm of online money making, but with a twist. We're going to explore 10 lazy ways to earn money online using some awesome AI tools. So, sit back, relax, and let's get started. Method number 1, content creation with ChatGPT.
ChatGPT is an AI-powered writing assistant that can help you create engaging content effortlessly. Whether it's blog posts, social media captions, or even video scripts like this one, ChatGPT has got your back. With its natural language processing capabilities, you can generate high-quality content in no time, allowing you to focus on other aspects of your online hustle.
Method number 2, social media management with Hootsuite.
Hootsuite is a powerful social media management tool that lets you schedule posts, track analytics, and engage with your audience across multiple platforms from one convenient dashboard. With its AI-driven scheduling suggestions, you can optimize your posting times for maximum engagement without lifting a finger.
Yes!
Now, method number 3, freelancing with Upwork.
Upwork is a freelancing platform where you can offer your skills and services to clients from around the world. Whether you're a writer, designer, developer, or virtual assistant, Upwork connects you with potential clients and handles all the administrative tasks, so you can focus on doing what you love and getting paid for it.
Now let's talk about method number 4, dropshipping with Oberlo.
Oberlo is a dropshipping platform that allows you to find products to sell online without ever having to deal with inventory or shipping. With its AI-powered product recommendations and automated order fulfillment, you can set up your own e-commerce store and start making money while you sip on your favorite latte.
Method number 5, affiliate marketing with Amazon Associates.
Amazon Associates is one of the largest affiliate marketing programs in the world, allowing you to earn commissions by promoting products sold on Amazon. With its AI-driven product recommendations and detailed analytics, you can easily find products that resonate with your audience and start earning passive income with just a few clicks.
Let's talk about method number 6, online tutoring with Chegg Tutors.
Chegg Tutors is an online tutoring platform where you can help students with their homework, test prep, and academic subjects from the comfort of your own home. With its AI-powered matching system, you'll be connected with students who need your expertise, allowing you to earn money while sharing your knowledge with others.
Okay, I'm thrilled to see you're still here. It shows your genuine commitment to changing your financial situation. But hold on tight because the excitement doesn't end here. Keep watching till the end, as I'm going to reveal a few more easy ways to earn money online that you won't want to miss. Now, let's dive into method number 7, survey taking with Swagbucks.
Swagbucks is a popular rewards program that pays you for taking surveys, watching videos, and shopping online. With its AI-driven survey matching algorithm, you'll receive personalized survey opportunities that align with your interests, making it easy to earn extra cash in your spare time.
Method number 8, product testing with user testing.
User testing is a platform that pays you to test websites, apps, and digital products and provide feedback to improve user experience. With its AI-powered test assignment system, you can participate in tests that match your demographics and interests, allowing you to earn money while helping companies create better products.
Method number 9, data entry with ClickWorker.
ClickWorker is a crowdsourcing platform that offers various tasks, including data entry, transcription, and content creation. With its AI-driven task allocation system, you can find microjobs that fit your skills and schedule, allowing you to earn money online with minimal effort.
And finally, method number 10, passive income with YouTube.
YouTube is the world's largest video sharing platform, and with its AI-powered recommendation system, you can earn money through ad revenue, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. Whether you're vlogging about your daily life or creating educational content like this video, YouTube offers endless opportunities to earn passive income while you sleep.
And there you have it, folks. 10 lazy ways to earn money online using AI tools. Remember, while these methods may be easy, success still requires dedication, consistency, and a bit of creativity. So pick your favorite method, harness the power of AI, and start making money from the comfort of your own home. But wait, there's more. In my next videos, I'll be diving deeper into each of these methods, revealing successful, proven strategies step by step. Whether you want to master content creation, social media management, freelancing, or any other method mentioned, subscribing to my channel is your ticket to unlocking the secrets of online success. Until next time, happy hustling!